back to my channel. This is the Cryptonian. We're taking a look at a coin that I think has a lot of potential, and the pattern here is a powerful one. But before we get into that, we can see over here, taking a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at 36,466. Bitcoin is a bit flat here. And Link is up 2%, Matic up 2%. You can see that this list here is a refreshed, refurbished, it is a recreated, reformed list. This is the list that I'm going to be focusing on. I'll talk about those coins a little bit later, but you can see that the market has a small gain today. This is Monday, and late Monday actually, and you can see that some coins are continuing to pump. IMX up 4%, Solana up 5%. Any little dip, people are buying. Now, that being said, when we take a look here at RNDER, RNDR, we can see that RNDER is actually hitting some resistance here, trying to consolidate. We do have a node, by a volume node indicated by this orange horizontal line. So, but when we take a look at, now this is the daily chart. When we take a look at the weekly chart, we see a whole different view, a whole different picture. Yes, we are at resistance on the weekly chart. And you can see here we were rejected from this line at about $2.50, right? Or actually, let's see, 278. That being said, we see a massive pattern here. Let me go ahead and move that over so we can take a closer look, and I'll enlarge this for you and move it over front and center like so. And the pattern that I'm referring to is this. We have a descending trend that goes into a consolidation trend, and then we moved up, hit resistance. We had another downtrend correction, but it was a lot lighter, and it came down, I believe, if I measure this, is probably 0.5 or 0.6 Fibonacci, and then we went right back up to retest. What does that look like to you? Well, of course, this is a cup and handle pattern. This is the cup, this is the handle, and these are very powerful patterns. These patterns actually, when they break the neckline would be right here, and we're right under that neckline. That neckline has a target on RNDER at about $5.20. That target from the breakout line is 95% gain. That's huge, 95% gain. So that being said, I'm going to be picking up some RNDER. I'm just waiting to see if it comes down a little bit lower. It doesn't matter though. I may still start DCAing in here with anticipation of a break here at this resistance line. Now the resistance is currently, let's see, the resistance is currently at $2.62. So anything above 270 most likely would then result in a break to the upside, and eventually would hit that $5.20. Now we do have a couple of resistance lines before that. We have the resistance line at $3.07. That's this one here, and that's really the one that we need to break through to get this breakout moving. But I do believe that there's probably a lot of shorts up here, and these shorts that are in position, once the price breaks through with momentum and starts pushing those shorts, those bears, out of their position, I do believe that we should get a big candle pop, like probably up to $3.50, and then after that pop, probably some consolidation, and then an attempt to move higher. But there you go, friends. That is RNDER, a large cup and handle pattern, massive cup and handle pattern. Actually, this is on the weekly, so it's going to take time for this to play out. But this actually should if the market does continue moving higher, if Bitcoin does not sell off and fail, if the trend continues higher, then this most likely would end up in breaking out above that resistance line. So I hope this is useful to you. I'm going to be picking up some render, like I said, and it's a great project. I think render is going to do very well coming up in 2024 and 2025. So now is my time. After we've seen this, after I've seen this this bounce here and this consolidation, this is time, in my opinion, to get into render after we see a little bit of a pullback here. I want to see a pullback here. And I want to make sure that the market doesn't have a greater sell-off. So anyway, I'll be buying the dips on this one, and I have a lot of positive feelings on this one because the data, the structure on the chart shows that there's accumulation occurring here, and it shows that the market is bullish. And of course, like I said, they have great fundamentals. They have a great project, and moving forward, I think 2024 will be big. Take care, friends. Please click like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go on this crypto journey together. We'll see you in the next one.